What was
Hello
that for?
guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make an airplane. Alright. First you're gonna need these. Since it takes a while to get the umbrella. And then alright. Buy this. Open it. Put it behind your back. Now you have the umbrella equipped. Now, since it takes a while, we're gonna need to walk back.
Yo, why do you keep killing me? Like, fuck off, bro. You're actually gay, bro. You're stealing my stuff, you fucking bitch. Not
They
fucking
blew up.
poor, like,
We
they
have-
take it.
Now
Fuck
aim
you, you little
up
cunt.
there.
Still at
No, you just made an airplane that can also glide. Ha.